Database portion of this series. Today we'll be looking at calculated fields. So let's find out calculated fields. And firstly, you need to understand the basic structure of a calculated field, and the only way we can do that efficiently is to do it by pendula, a question that may pop up in the exam. So if we have a question that says, insert a calculated field in the travel query called return ticket if the return ticket is 50% of the ticket's price. Okay, so we go to travel query, but we need to insert a new field that will calculate the return ticket if the return ticket is 50% of this amount that is right here. Okay, so as you know, all editing here is done on the design view. So you're gonna switch to your design view and go to a double license if field engaphalwe like this one. Okay, so firstly, in order to calculate a percent, we have a formula. I call it a formula that says x over 100 times y, where x is the number that you want the percentage of, where y is the percent that you want. Ne. Okay, so nalapha sizokwenza into efanayo. Okay, so in order to add a calculated field, I prefer this method. It may be different from what uthisha anifundisa yona. So first thing, you're gonna click on the box on the this field, the new field. You're gonna type equal to, yeah, and then since we are following that equation to calculate percent, our x will be represented by this field right here. Uma ke usebenzisa a field that is already existing in the table or in the query, you must include it in square brackets and uyibhale njengoba ibhaliwe lapha. I cannot stress that enough. It is very important. 1, include it in square brackets. 2, write it as it is. So we're gonna have ticket price value square bracket. Okay, so it's in the formula, it's gonna be x divided by 100, so over 100, and times the percent that we want. So in this case it's 50%. But you see how my preference is just before the asterisk you just put a rounded comma. Nala eqaleni here put a rounded comma, not a rounded comma, rounded bracket. Why? Senzela ukuthi le value le ka ticket price over 100 inga interfere nalo times 50, because kungenzeka kuskiphele i-answer wrong. Ne. So usukwenzile ke lokho, you're going to press enter, and uyabona ukuthi sekuvela a text that is written expry1. Uma run, it's gonna show the same thing. But then do you see that this expr, it represents the field name? So you're gonna go back to your design view, and then you're gonna change your expr into the field name. But say this field name must be called return ticket. I go return ticket. Ticket. Yeah, I think so. So when you press run, it's now called return ticket. And if you see nama umunagala, this is half of this is half of that, this is half of that, kanjalo. So that is how you add your calculated field. If you have any questions, please do post them in the comments. If you have a question that you'd like me to see, just tag me in the comments. I'll attend to your thingies.